Do you know why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not just because you skipped lunch. That rumbling sound is called borborygmus, a real scientific word. It happens when your intestines move gas and digestive fluids during the digestion process. Even when your stomach is empty, your brain tells your digestive system to clean up, pushing air and leftover bits around. That's what makes the growling noise. It's basically your body saying, "Hey, time for food." So next time your stomach talks during a quiet moment, blame your brain and science.